Hi guys, this is Ray and welcome back to another fabulous video tutorial. In today's video tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Shake and Make feature on RecipeBook app. The first thing you need to do to get started is of course open up RecipeBook app on your phone. Now, RecipeBook app offers you three ways for searching for a particular recipe. One is a normal search toolbar, the other is a Shake and Make feature, as well as the Snap and Cook features. So today we're going to use the Shake and Make feature. It's a perfect way for searching for recipes by ingredients. Now, if you have only a few ingredients at home and don't know what to do with it, this is a perfect way to search for recipes. So all you gotta do is select the ingredients that you have at home. So I've got some spinach, I've got some potatoes, some capsicum, and I also have a bit of onions at home. Once you've done in selecting your ingredients, you got to shake your phone to get all the related recipes to the ingredients that you've chosen. So you can see we've got some curry in a hurry, chicken and sweet corn fritters, potato fritters, we've got some traditional Spanish omelette. So I'm going to go with potato fritters. And you can also check out the ingredients, the directions, and you can rate this recipe if you like it. You can also leave a comment right there at the bottom. And this looks like a pretty good recipe. You can check out the directions and the ingredients right there. And since it's a pretty good recipe, I'm going to save it to my collections. I can also like it and share it with my friends and family by WhatsApp or any other social media. So this is how you search for ingredients using the Shake and Make feature. If you go back, you can also maybe edit your options right there. So I'm going to remove onions and I'm going to put in broccoli, and shaking my phone again, I get recipes related to the new ingredients that I've added. So it's as simple as that, guys. This is how you use the Shake and Make feature. Be sure to check it out on RecipeBook app. Be sure to download our app in order to explore all the different and new features that we have on the app. If you liked today's video, do give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.